Children in America are counting.
I want to count backwards.
1,
2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5, 6.
Children in Egypt are counting. Children in South Africa are counting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Children in China are counting. Children in Russia are counting.
10.
Children in 120 countries are counting on you. Sesame Workshop puts the proceeds it receives from the sales of its products right back into Sesame Street and other local educational projects for children worldwide. So you did more than just buy a video or attend a performance. You helped educate children around the world.
Thank you.
Learn more at sesameworkshop.org.
Big Bird Storytime.
Hi, I'm glad you're here because it's story time. Big Bird's here, and Snuffy's here, and now you're here too.
That's right. Maria's going to read to Snuffy and me before we take our little naps. Huh?
Okay, you're all set, aren't you?
Oh, sure. I got my blanket.
And I have my blanket too.
Okay.
And I got my radar.
Yep.
It's a teddy bear.
And I've got Mr. Anteloper.
And look, I even have some bird seed in case I need a little snack while you're reading.
Okay.
And I brought along a little snack too.
Okay, so where's the storybook?
Beg your pardon?
Well, the storybook, I can't read a story to you without a storybook.
Oh, my goodness. Of course. Oh, well, gee. Snuffy and I have to run down to the library for a second. Would you mind waiting here, Maria? Come on, Snuff. We gotta hurry.
Okay, Bird.
After you, my dear Alfonso.
Yep.
Well, don't go away, because as soon as they're back, I'll read a story for them, and for you too.
I wonder if they have any books in this library that might be interesting to a grouch.
Books interesting to a grouch? You want to know if there might be books interesting to a grouch?
Oh, no, not you two guys again.
I'm Gilbert, and I know all about grouches. And I'm Sullivan, and I know all about what's in a library.
Yeah, but you guys always tell me too much about everything. All I said was...
Shh. We'll tell you all about it.
Oh, good grief, here they go again.
There's books for him and books for her and books for you and me. You'll find good books for everyone.